Finding cheap airline tickets can require some research and flexibility, but here are several strategies to help you secure the best deals. 1. Book early or late. Generally, booking flights well in advance or at the last minute can sometimes yield lower fares. However, this can vary depending on the destination, time of year, and airline. 2. Use fare comparisons websites. Utilize fare comparison websites and apps like Google Flights, Skyscanner, Expedia, or Kayak to compare prices across multiple airlines and booking platforms. These tools often allow you to set up price alerts for specific routes or dates. 3. Be flexible with dates and destinations. Being flexible with your travel dates and destinations can help you find cheaper flights. Consider flying on weekdays instead of weekends, or choosing alternative airports nearby your destination. 4. Sign up for airline newsletters and alerts. Subscribe to airline newsletters and fare alerts to receive notifications about special promotions, discounts, and flash sales. Many airlines offer exclusive deals to subscribers. 5. Clear your cookies or use incognito mode. Some websites may track your browsing history and show higher prices if they detect repeated searches. Clearing your cookies or using private or incognito browsing mode can sometimes help avoid this. 6. Consider budget airlines. Look into budget airlines or low-cost carriers that offer discounted fares. Keep in mind that budget airlines may charge extra fees for amenities like checked baggage, seat selection, and onboard meals. 7. Use frequent flyer, miles or reward points. If you're a member of a frequent flyer program or have credit cards that earn travel rewards, consider using your miles or points to book flights. This can often result in significant savings or even free flights. 8. Book connecting flights. Sometimes booking separate tickets for connecting flights or opting for layovers can be cheaper than booking direct flights. Just make sure to leave enough time between flights to make your connections. Remember to compare prices thoroughly and read the fine print regarding baggage fees, cancellation policies, and other terms and conditions before booking your flight.